Let's see when, why, and how to do repotting. When your plant's roots start to outgrow its pot, it's time for repotting. Gently remove the plant from its pot. Repotting can help eliminate pests or diseases. The best time to repot most plants is during the spring season. Separate all the saplings. As plants grow, their roots expand. Repotting provides them with more space to grow and develop a healthy root system. For repotting, you can choose a pot that is slightly larger than the current one to allow for root growth, where you can trim the extra roots and repot it in same pot is called root pruning. Over time, soil becomes compacted or waterlogged. Repotting or pruning ensures proper drainage, which then prevent root rot. Choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Place all the saplings in the pot and use a fresh, high-quality potting mix specifically designed for your plant type. Repotting allows you to use fresh potting mix, which is rich in nutrients essential for plant growth. Water the plant thoroughly after repotting or root pruning to help it settle into its new home. Avoid fertilizing the plant immediately after repotting or root pruning. Wait a few weeks to allow the roots to establish themselves. If you notice any signs of stress, such as wilting or yellowing leaves, it might be due to shock from repotting or root pruning. Give the plant some time to adjust to its new environment. Repotting or pruning the roots is a simple process that can significantly improve your plant's health. Follow these tips for a successful repotting experience, and if you learn something new, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel.